Hello again. So this video will focus on adding materials to the building elements. As you can see, I added some materials in my building, and you will be able to see the material texture only when there is realistic. Because if it is consistent color, you will see only the colors. If it is shaded, you will see only shading. So in order to see your materials exactly, it should be realistic. Now, how did I add materials to these walls? As you can see, they are white, and our project is white basically. So what you have to do, you just need to select the wall that you want to add material. You go edit type, and then from structure you click edit. From structure, material, you click here, and you search about clad white, and you select it. And of course you can take a look. You go to the appearance and you see before even you apply it, this is the material what it will looks like when you apply it. So okay and okay and okay. So basically now they are white. Now same thing for flooring. What you have to do, you have to select the flooring, you have to go to edit type, edit. From here, from structure you click here, and you search about this oak flooring. So you write OAK, and basically it's here. Why I selected this? Because I have seen the picture, the real ones, and I have seen that the floor contains this kind of material. So I click OK. If you want to make to get an idea, if I go here, as you can see this flooring, how does it look? So you have pictures, you can see them, and you decide which material you want to use. And I click OK. Okay. Now one issue will happen now. As you can see, the material is also shown here and here of the flooring. So how to fix this? Actually, you can go to from modify. So basically from modify, you click paint, and in this paint you will be able to select any material. So I will use clad white, and then sorry, again I will do it again. I click, I search about clad, I select it, and you should not do done. You should start now applying this material. So you have to use tab to shift between the elements like this. So we have to check any area you think. You can actually even apply it to the stairs, for example. Now, as you can see here, there is a special material for chimney. How did I do this? What I did actually, first of all, you have to select the chimney. You have to edit in place, and then when you edit in place, you will be able to select it again, and you will see material. So I will click here, and you will see what I have done. So I created a new material. I did like this, like created a new material. Let's create another one. So this is 3, and I go to appearance, and from appearance I go to image. So this functionality will allow you to load an image. So you can download an image. You can use the image of your face if you think it's interesting, but I think it is not. So basically what you have to do, we have to download an image from internet. You have to go to Google and you search using the keywords brick wall texture white and red. So Google will bring kind of walls texture which contains white and red, and you have to decide which one you think it's the best one. So for example, if I select this, I have to download it, save as an image. I save it in my desktop, and I go back to my Revit, and I click here, and I look for it. Where is it? So it's here, and I click OK, and I click here, so I will see it. But as you can see, it's small compared to this one. How to fix it? I click here again, and I go to this material library. I go to appearance. I will see the image, so I have to click again on the image now, and that is what they call it scale. Here it should be 1, so I increase the scale and I click down. Okay, and let's click. As you can see, the size has become bigger now, and I will click finish model. So basically when I do the rendering, I will see this material which will look more realistic with the light, etc. So of course you have to continue doing the materials for all building components, so including basically walls, floors, and roof also. For roof you have to select it and you think of a material that you think it's the best one before you do your rendering. For stairs also the same thing, you have to select element by element, or maybe you can use paint also. So we are doing all this material as we are assigning materials in order to do rendering, and we see them realistically, because as you can see, me, I did some rendering. For example, as you can see, the material looks very nice here. Grass also, as you can see, it looks like grass. This view, this one is the exterior, and this one is exterior night.